Hi, I'm Kasji and you watching my YouTube channel Kasji Official. Join Pak Army as DSSC 2022 Direct Captain Registration Open. Join Pak Army as DSSC 2022 application is open to apply for the Pakistan Army Direct Short Service Commission 2022, which is excellent news for the candidates looking for opportunity in the Pakistan Army. Finally, the long wait has ended for the candidates seeking the short service commission opportunity in Pakistan Army. Pakistan Army has recently announced its course for the year 2022. All candidates looking to join Pak Army as a direct captain are encouraged to go through this post and apply. Pakistan Army seeks well-disciplined, hard-working and energetic candidates for its DSSC course 2022. This is the best opportunity for you to serve Pakistan as a captain in Pakistan Army. The course is announced for the field of information technology, aeronautical engineer and electrical and mechanical engineer. Candidates passionate about serving their country are encouraged to apply for this post. Candidates from all over Pakistan are eligible to apply for the Pakistan Army DSSC 2022. The application process is online. You just need to provide your information in the application form and apply. Before applying for the post, we encourage candidates to go through its eligibility criteria. If you are fulfilling all the requirements, don't miss out on these opportunities. Only male candidates can apply for the Pak Army DSSC 2022. But the female candidates who are also willing to join Pak Army can apply for the Lady Cadet course 2022, also encouraged by the Pakistan Army. The application process for the DSSC 2022 will start on June 13, 2022 and will last till June 23, 2022. All candidates must submit their application form before the mentioned due date. For more information on how to join Pak Army as DSSC, check the detail below and apply. Table of contents. Detail about join Pak Army as DSSC 2022. Field and major. Eligibility criteria. Physical requirement. Documents required. Application deadline. How to apply for Pakistan Army DSSC 2022. Advertisement. Detail about join Pak Army as DSSC course. Country Pakistan. Organization Pakistan Army. Gender male. Job type commissioned officer. Rank direct captain. Age required 21 to 28 years. Application deadline June 23, 2022. Fields and measures. Candidates belonging to the following fields and measures are eligible to apply for the Pak Army DSSC course 2022. BE Software Engineering, BE System Engineering, BE Honors in Computer Sciences, BS Honors in Information Security, BE Computer Engineering, BE Honors in Information Technology, BS Honors in Cyber Security. Eligibility criteria. To apply for the Pak Army Captain Job 2022, you need to fulfill the following eligibility criteria. All Pakistani nationals can apply for DSSC 2022. Only male candidates are eligible to apply. Both married unmarried candidates can apply. Age required 28 years on November 1st, 2022. Candidates holding a degree in the fields mentioned above can apply. Physical requirement: weight as per BMI body mass index, height required 5 feet 4 inches. Documents required: attested copies of mark sheets, registration certificate, 3x passport size photos, job certificates, attested copies of the original CNIC. Deadline: application deadline, the last date to apply for the post for the Pak Army DSSC 2022 is 23rd June 2022. Hope you liked this video. Now, Allah Hafiz.